Hey everyone, Scoopscientist here. Today I'm going to see what happens when I bring my giant magnet near a bunch of tiny little magnets. So let's do it. So what these are, I got these for Christmas last year. They're very weak magnets, but they sort of act like a slime. So you can see, yeah, you see that? When you drop it, they kind of scatter everywhere. They act sort of like slime. I'm curious to see this in slow motion when I bring my giant magnet next to it. And now as for the magnets, I've got a small one here first. It's 25mm cube magnet, and it's got a pull force of just over 39.5 kilos, which means if I got a big piece of steel, at least 10mm thick, then it'd take just under 40 kilos of force to pull that steel off of this magnet. And then the next magnet I've got is twice as big, but more than twice as strong. So this has a pull force of 147 kilos. This magnet scares me a little bit. If I were to get a 10mm thick piece of steel near this thing, it'd take 147 kilos to pull it off. In other words, if I got that piece of steel in between the magnet and my hand, I have no more hand. So I'm curious to see what these little magnets will do against this. But first we'll do the little one. Okay, because the magnet's a bit smaller, I'm only going to use just about half of what's in the container here. So let's do it. Let's see what happens. Whoa. At first I wasn't sure anything was going to happen, but then it just attacks it like, it kind of reminds me of Venom, I think. Yeah, look at that. Okay, here we go. Big magnet versus a bunch of these tiny magnets. You ready? Inch it closer. Oh, it's about to grab it. Oh. Oh, it knocked it over. Wait. Let's try that again, except I'll face it this way first. Okay, this time that's the north pole of the magnet. It's facing it now. Let's see what happens. I'm wondering what will happen if I drop the magnets on top. I want to see what that looks like. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Some did go everywhere. Ooh. So it looks like this side's north and this side's south then. If I did this, make like a snake. Oh. Well, thanks for watching this video. I know it was just, it wasn't my usual science related content. It was just a bit of fun with magnets. I thought this would be just a cool video to make and show. If you have any ideas of things that you want to see similar to this, maybe with magnets, do you want to see anything else like the giant magnet versus something, that sort of stuff, then let me know down in the comments below. But if you did enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos like this.